Hey guys, it is Info Girl. I hope everyone is doing well. And if you are new here, then welcome. And make sure that you hit the subscribe button if you enjoy me bringing you information on how you can get access to high limit credit cards or how you can build your personal credit. Now, today I'm going to be bringing you guys some information on how you can get approved and the ins and the outs of the USAA Secured American Express credit card and how this credit card can open up the door for you for other credit cards with bad credit. So the good thing about this credit card is designed to help you rebuild your personal credit. So if you have a low 500 credit score or even a 300 credit score, this credit card can definitely help you build or boost your personal credit in 90 days of your account opening. Now, American Express credit card, not a prepaid card or a debit card, a credit limit that can range from $250 all the way up to $5,000 backed by an interest earning security deposit. Now, the credit card actively reports to all three major credit bureaus, so you will see them report to Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Now, the credit card activity reported to them are monthly, so if you are approved or if you apply for this credit card, you want to make sure that you are making these payments on time so you can see an increase. Now, there has been reports of people seeing an increase in their credit score just after 90 days of their account opening, and the points has ranged from 10 points all the way up to 35 points. Now, if you use this card responsibly and, like I said, making your payments on time, you can get access to credit cards, and then you will also get your $250 back, or whichever is greater, or up to 5,000 back. Now, with this credit card, they do have an APR, no penalty APR rate at 28.15%. Now, with this credit card, there is no annual fee, no foreign transaction fees, balance transfers, and cash advances fees is 5% of the transaction amount. Now, like I said, this credit card is only for people with bad credit. So if you have a lower credit score and if you are looking to build your personal credit, I would definitely recommend this card. It is a secured credit card. So also keep that in mind. So let's say if you want a credit limit of $200 that you know that you'll be able to manage into your next pay period, this card can definitely help you use it responsibly and increase your personal credit score. So if you are approved, you'll open up a certificate of deposit, which is also known as a CD, which is your card security deposit. Now, the amount of your deposit into the interest earning CD depending on your card's credit limit. So this limit starts between, again, $250, but never no more than $5,000. So your CD earns interest and it isn't used to make payments, okay? Now you can use this card anywhere and add it to your mobile wallet for in-store or online shopping. Using your secured card responsibly by making regular on-time payments will help you build your personal credit. Now, your credit information is reported to the three major credit bureaus, so they will review your credit history and other factors to see if you can upgrade your credit card from a unsecured credit card or from a secured credit card into a unsecured credit card. Now, with these credit cards, they do have very high limits, and also they also have security and protection. So if your card is ever lost or stolen, you will not be held for any unauthorized charges that's posted to your account. So, again, this credit card is for people with bad credit. So, if you have a low credit score, this credit card can definitely help you build your personal credit. Now, another thing with the USAA, you do have to create an account in order to be able to be approved for one of these cards. Now, in order to get this credit card, you must have a family member or them having a military service. So if you are a family member, you can definitely join. They will ask you information about them. But other than that, in order to sign up outside of that part, they just ask you the basic information. Okay. So keep in mind, if you have a good credit score, I would not recommend this card only because this is a secured credit card and this is for people with bad credit. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and make sure that you hit the notification bell so every time I post a new video, you could be notified.